Hello, Matt Ivy here with Atomos, and Atomos is a technology company that's been on the market for a few years now, and what we're showing here is our current line of field recorder based products. So this technology allows us to have a very high quality ProRes recorder, but the product itself actually does four things. It's a recorder, it's also a player, and it's a monitor. And so that we can play back the material that we record in the field. So the important part is that as a very high quality, affordable recorder, it records directly to ProRes, all of the major standards formats in terms of 1080i, 5994, as well as all the other formats available on the market. This particular one's called the Ninja, and it records from HDMI. We can go into a monitor mode here, and while we're in the monitor mode, we even have some things that will help you adjust your focus. For instance, it's got focus peaking, it's got zebra pattern that's built into it. And as we go back out to the main screen here, you'll see that we have a recorder built in. We record directly to your own 2.5-inch drive that you supply. We can do SSD, or we can do hard drive. So when you buy a system, this is the Ninja that does HDMI in and out. It comes in a whole case that you see here. It comes with a battery charger and the batteries themselves. They're a standard size battery, and a docking station that is Firewire, and also USB 3.0. So you get the whole kit, including the case and a place to keep the unit. So I've talked about the Ninja here, which is the HDMI device. That's only $9.95 in the whole kit that it comes in. And the other model is called the Samurai. The Samurai has a 5-inch screen. This is an 800 by 480 high resolution screen, all of the same features that you saw in the Ninja product, but this is an HD SDI recorder. It has HD SDI input and HD SDI output, and it's also serial control, as well as we do 12 channels of embedded audio as well as analog audio. So we've packed a lot of technology inside these small packages. The Samurai system is only $15.95, and those are available from most all the distributors that there are out in the market. Now, another thing, since we've got all this great technology with HD SDI and HDMI, we have ways of recording it, playing it back. We can even mark favorites on the clip itself, so that when you take the ProRes clip that's on the disc that you use and plug it into your nonlinear editing system, those favorites come up in the bin of the project you're using. So a lot of power packed into these small packages, and very affordable. Now, another really nice product to show off here at InfoComm for Pro AV people, this little tool here is called the Connect, and the Connect itself is an HDMI to HDSDI converter. It's battery operated. It also, we have a version that is goes the other way, HDMI to HDSDI. It has a built-in test signal generator, as well as internal battery. So it will run to it from an hour to 2 hours on an internal battery. This is great for your tool set that you're going to carry with you when you're setting up for shows and that. But it'll also run on a standard battery, and that'll run for over 10 hours on just a standard battery that's as part of the Atomos systems. So these are a great little toolbox to have for you, and they're only $349. So we expect to be shipping that shortly for everybody that's in the Pro AV business. Handy tool gadget. Now, I've talked about all this technology here. Why is Atomos coming to InfoComm? We feel that we can have a lot to offer to the professional video environment. So we're taking this technology and we're packaging it into different designs. So in this case, we call this one the lunchbox here, but it's all the same things that we did, battery operated device, but it's going to have full-size XLRs and BNCs on it, as well as being able to run off of AC power. So again, rolling that technology into another rack-based type of product. You might be familiar with the new half-rack standard that's being proposed, and we're involved with that. And so here's another model of the Atomos Deck series, where we've taken all the same technology, but we put it into a 2-rack unit space. And since it's a half rack, it'll fit into the new half rack standard, and we plan on proposing other products that would fit in that as well. So we've got a lot to show here, people, that we've been showing here to some good InfoComm people today. And we're looking forward to seeing you over here at the booth as well. We're in the TechNet booth, and thanks for having us on.